Friday, July 15th. Stock Playbook sample video for you guys out there. Just give you a little tease, a little taste. Let me tell you, I got the good stuff at the website, so check out our site. We give a free 2-week trial. Dow Jones up 42 points today, 0.3%. NASDAQ Composite 27 points, 1%. S&P 500 7 points, 0.3%. Google. I mean, again, if you're a subscriber, imagine buying 565 calls at $2.50 and seeing them go today to $32. I mean, that's the kind of returns you can hit when you nail these earnings. Not patting myself on the back or doing a victory lap or anything like that. But, again, this is just a tease. Listen, I'm in business to make money. At the same time, hopefully teach you guys how the money works, and you guys make money too, so you can afford to subscribe to our service. But, listen, you hit one earnings play like this, Google, you guys could subscribe to the playbook for the next 75 years. If you bought only a couple of contracts. So, I mean, check out our site. But Google, what a day. If you have profits, take them. If you had the options, I know you took them. There's no way you would exercise them or not take a, 1,300% gain in a day. Moving on to other news today, PetroHawk, HK, a name we've talked about often in the playbook, got bought out. It had a nice little day, up, what is that, 48, 90, 56%. It was a nice day. What I want to use this for is now everybody's looking for the next exploration and production company for PetroHawk. I have 2 of them. Okay, I got 2 of them. I'm going to give you one of them right here, and I'm going to force you to sign up for a free trial to get the other one, which I think is even better. But BEXP, okay, this company, Brigham Exploration, engaged in oil and natural gas exploration and production. They're in the Rocky Mountains, onshore Gulf Coast, Anadarko Basin in Texas. Stock's been in a downtrend for some time since oil topped out. Now starting to move up, recaptured the 50-day line. I like the volume that came in today. There's a lot of people looking for what's the next one that's going to be bought out. BEXP. I don't know if it's going to be bought out. Nobody has a clue. But I do know this. This company is growing their earnings 327%, 84%, 159, 25 earnings earnings, triple-digit earnings growth, projected increase in earnings 144% this year, 62% next year. This is a stock I like without, sorry about that. This is a stock I like without the news of, or the potential for them to be bought. You can see the institutions are coming for it. BEXP, like I said, I have a cheaper one that's only around $10 or $12 a share. I think that one works out nicely. Come, like I said, sign up for a free trial. You'll hear it in tonight's videos. Another tease, just a tease, Healthways. They provide health, prevention, and well-being services based on risk assessments in order to cut healthcare costs. Let me say that again. To cut healthcare costs. To cut healthcare costs. Do you think a company that looks their business models to cut healthcare costs, do you think that's in a good sweet spot right now? Yeah, Healthways breaking out today, heavy volume, stock traded 4 times its average daily volume. Again, we go into more detail at the site. Best way to play this, entry levels, stop loss levels, but Healthways is one that should be on your radar also. And I'm going to finish with one more, again, just a tease because it's Friday and I'm done now for 2 days. We all heard of the company Wisdom Tree Financial, WSDT. I'm not punching it in because it's on the bulletin board and Market Smith doesn't recognize these stocks, rightfully so, because they're manipulated, usually pieces of crap, to say the worst. I make it a habit of never, ever, ever, no exceptions, buying a stock that trades on the pink sheets or the bulletin board. But Wisdom Financial Tree, WSDT, punch it up. Today, 8 o'clock this morning, came out with news they're going to be moved to the NASDAQ and start trading on the NASDAQ next Tuesday, the day before they come out with their earnings. Their new symbol is going to be WETF for all the ETFs that they sell. This is a stock that I find very intriguing. Their assets under management is growing. They're launching new products all the time. Again, tease. It's just a little tease. come to the website, www.thestockplaybook. Get our whole playbook, not to mention the way we're going to play Wisdom Tree. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. And I'll talk with you guys next week.